This is the Mayor's COVID update for January 2021. COVID remains a health-related emergency in the Municipality of Brockton. We continue to take our guidance from the province and the Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Arra. The entire province remains under a stay-at-home order until February 11th, unless otherwise extended. Fortunately, cases in Bruce Grey have been declining over the past few weeks. We are now down to 16 cases per 100,000 per week. So this is a very good number. This would put us in the green zone. Despite those good numbers, we need to continue to practice the stay-at-home order. Our good numbers are what allowed the schools to open. We are only one of 7 health units in all of Ontario that got to open. So keep up the good work. Please continue to stay home as much as possible, to avoid social gatherings, limit contact with anyone outside of your household, keep a 2-meter distance from people, stay at home if you have symptoms, and get tested at the test center over in Hanover. The municipality has implemented a number of measures in response to the stay-at-home order. Please visit our website under the COVID-19 tab for updates. We understand that this continues to be an extremely difficult time for our business community. Our Community Development Coordinator continues to assist businesses in applying for and finding provincial and federal grants. Of particular interest, there was a new grant released by the government this month on January 17th that allows businesses to get a grant between $10,000 and $20,000. And I've talked to a number of businesses who applied for that. It's a very easy form to fill out. It's filled out online. So I encourage people to fill that out, and I'd like to thank our MPP, Lisa Thompson. Her ministry is overseeing that grant. So I'd like you to also continue to shop locally. We've made sure that our sidewalks are cleared of snow. There's minimum amount of snowbanks this year. We're putting extra effort into that with our road crew to make sure that we can facilitate and help our businesses with curbside pickup. A very important development in the COVID fight is the vaccination arrival in Grey Bruce. The Grey Bruce Health Unit has established a very comprehensive vaccination program. The plan is available on their website. It consists of 3 phases. Very happy to announce that phase 1 includes vaccinating all residents of long-term care homes, including Bruce Lee Haven. Residents at Bruce Lee Haven were vaccinated today, so that is excellent news. Phase 2 will begin when vaccines are made available, and that will include other seniors who are at risk, not in long-term care, other at-risk groups, people who live in group homes, for example. A lot of that vaccination will occur in mass vaccination centers in Hanover, Kincardine, and Owen Sound. And we expect that to be up and running by March. Phase 3 will address people who are less at risk, and that will wrap up in the summer. So it's very good news. The vaccination program is very well underway. It's very well planned out by our Medical Officer of Health. I commend Brockton residents for their continued efforts in stopping the spread of COVID-19. As I said, we're one of 7 health units that would be in the green zone. We're doing excellent work. So remember to stay at home, avoid social contacts, and that we're all in this together.